Oh, he's beautiful. He's beautiful. Alright. I got another one to open. Oh, that's what the vehicle mode looks like from yesterday. I never showed it. Beautiful. How am I gonna get this one? Hold on. There we go. Snip. Idiot. Everything's falling. Let's get the next part. Snippy, snippy. There he is. Just like last time. Savage opening the weapons. Open, please. Yes, hand video. Okay. Alright, he comes with some good stuff. 2 tail fins, 2 guns, instructions, and himself. I always loved Combiner Wars Air Raid, but this one just does it for me. This is an amazing air raid. He's great. Ooh. And then he falls over. Excited for the rest of the aerial bots. Don't know if I'll be buying the other leg bot because this is my second air raid. Yeah. I'll probably just have 2 air raids. I'll probably buy the other leg bot and have a second air raid. That's what you deserve. Uh-oh. That's what you deserve. More to come on him.